here with Alan Phillips and Kolsen Phillips. So how did qualifying go for you today, Alan?
Well, you know, it went all right. I dropped 10 seconds from my first session out, so it could be better, but I'll take it the way I got it. Tomorrow we'll go faster.
What is your race strategy going into the race tomorrow?
Just latch onto the front group and see if I can hold on.
And Kolsen, do you have any advice for your dad?
That's when you do this.
Okay, we're gonna edit that out. Cannon.
Do you have advice?
Cannon, do you have it?
What should I do tomorrow?
Y'all are awful at this.
Anyways, edit that out again.
Do you have like any weird quirks that you have to do before you get on the bike?
No, not really. Just get on and go.
What about that saying from what's that movie? Bomb. What is it? The sled team?
Cool Runnings?
Yeah.
Yeah. Not doing that on video.
Darn.
Superstitious.
It's a good movie, guys. Y'all should definitely watch it. So you've been racing for many years now. So how does this track compare to the club level tracks that we usually race at?
It's just a lot faster. Everything's faster. The bike feels heavier sometimes because you're having to move it from a higher speed from one side to the other. It's just different. The track is point and shoot some places, it's be patient some places, it's charge this some places, so it flows really well, but just gotta figure it out.
Awesome. Good luck tomorrow and be safe.
Thank you.